Welcome everybody to the first episode of Game Development Vlog number 1 for Project Web. And I actually wanted to show you guys that this game that I've been currently working on within the Unity game engine, of course, like everyone else. This one actually is available on my website. So the link will be in the description, or if you actually want, somewhere on the screen I will provide a link that you can actually go straight to the website and you can play this game. So right now, currently, I have it working for the WASD keys, of course the arrow keys, and for anybody who actually wants to, you can play with the Xbox One controller and you can play with 360 controller. So far, what I have working on the screen, which this is the menu screen, I have the 3D model which rotates when you go into the car racer, the first-person shooter, which I'm going to be developing, and the platformer. Currently, right now, the only one that works is the platformer. So if you press enter or start on your controller, that's obviously going to get you into the game. But for right now, if you go into the game, the car racer, you're going to be pretty much met with a game over screen. If you go into the first person shooter, another game over screen. And if you go into the platformer, you go straight into the platformer. So what I made it work was obviously with the controls the same way that you would do any other game. So WASD keys. Currently, right now, the only ones that work are the A and D key. So they go left and right. The arrow keys left and right, of course. And with the Xbox 360 controller, it's the same way you would control a Mario game. So it's left and right on the left stick and A to jump. Or if you want, you can actually press space to jump. So currently, right now, the only thing that I have is this long platform because this is for testing purposes. I'm going to be adding more stuff that you could interact with, but for right now, this is the only stuff that I really think I should be working on right now. So, of course, I fell down the platform, and I lose a life, and I respawn straight up. This is just like any other game. The only thing for right now, if you jump, you are not able to move. So the only way that you're able to actually juke in the air is if you're pretty much moving. And this is because I wanted to add a little bit more challenge, but I don't know, I may take this off. I don't know. You guys let me know, give me feedback if you guys think that your character should be moving in the air, because it's gonna lead to pretty much some deaths. He can go up slopes right now, and if you lose all lives, because I just want this just like a Mario game where you even have lives like that. If you lose all lives, you go right back into the start screen. And as I said, this is available on my website or my blog, and you can actually play this full entire version right now, and it actually has a pretty much update log of what of stuff that I've updated and what actually stuff is working. It actually it shows the controls and everything, and you guys can play it. Every single time that I post this stuff up, the new update will go live. So right now, this version of the game will go live, and whenever I post a new one, which hopefully should be next Friday, that version of the game will be live. So I just want you guys to know that. And if you guys want to see what the website looks like, so you know how to get to it, you would go to ghostmusic.tumblr.com, and you can keep up to date with all the stuff that I post. All you have to do is just go straight into the games folder, and once you go into there, all you have to do now is just click this, and you have the version of the game. Right now it's not full screen, but I'm currently working on making it full screen. So I just want to let you guys know that this is not full screen right now, so you can only work with it right here. But I will make it do that. See, the work log is right here, and the controls are right here. So with that being said, I will see you guys on another episode. Peace.
Thanks for
Wanted to
watching.
actually show
Here are
you
the
guys
two
a new
latest
game that I
episodes of
actually
Ghost
developed
Talks. And
within
don't forget
Unity.
to subscribe if you guys
And
actually enjoyed the show.
I borrowed some textures from online, which are seamless concrete textures, and I pretty much photoshopped the buttons that you see here.